care what the hell you guys do.
It's not gonna be for a video.
I don't care. I don't care.
Hang all the mistletoe. I wanna get to know you better. This Christmas.
Welcome to Vlogmas. I ain't got no more days because I don't know days of the week no more. And to be honest, every day I really don't do anything. Or I don't remember to record the little that I do on a day-to-day. So I'm definitely going to try to get better at that. Making no promises because I just suck as a person. So today I do have to go into work. So I just turned the heat on so that I can get in the shower. And then I just have a little bit of some light errands that I have to run for today. And then I gotta figure out what I'm making for dinner. I got a lot of work that I need to catch up on, but regular day-to-day, day in the life vlog right now is about to happen. So let's get into it. See guys, I told you I was gonna get better. So it's not quite the end of the day, but we're almost at the end of the day. And I'm cooking dinner. So I thought it would be a good idea to kind of just show you guys a little bit of what I'm doing. Right now I'm about to cut up some veggies, some onions, some peppers, some red and green peppers, onions. I'm gonna make it all with some chicken breast and bacon. I'm gonna set my oven right now for 350 degrees so that it could get nice and hot and toasty. I'm just gonna make it with some white rice. Set all of that, and then we're gonna run to the mall to go grab Elijah's winter jacket because I can't believe I still didn't get him a jacket yet because I didn't find one during the Black Friday sale. So now it's like we just gotta get something because it's cold. You know what I mean? It's cold right now. So I'm about to get dinner ready, and I don't know where my tripod is, and it is what it is, you feel me? So I'll just show you guys my progress as I'm going. So I already got my chicken cleaned with some vinegar and lemon juice, and I cut off all the skin and all the fat that I didn't like on it. And I'm about to season this bad boy, so yeah. shopping with Elijah. This is what he picked. There's something seriously wrong with this kid. Elijah, I'm not buying that jacket.
Yes, sir.
All right, go ahead. Tell everybody that's what you want to buy.
Gotta respect that dress.
Call your friends and say this is what you're wearing. You look ridiculous. He looks like a damn fool. He's really trying to get this stupid jacket. Like, he's not serious about it. I'm not going to pay attention to him. I'm not getting him that jacket. Like, he's so ridiculous. Like, I'm not buying that jacket. No, they're not L's. They're smart. You're the idiot that wants to walk around with a freaking... You're so ridiculous, Elijah. I cannot even believe you. Anyways, wish me luck. It's not warm enough. It's not warm enough. He's so ridiculous. No, the answer is no. In the car with Elijah, we just got back from shopping and Elijah's ridiculous. So that's it. So you didn't have fun with your mom?
You should do this again sometime.
He's such a jerk. Alright, so we're about to go in the house and I don't know. I lost a nail in the process. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow morning. Let's go inside. There's so many different kinds of Kyrie. Yeah.
Fly trap is one with the strap at the top. You don't want that one, right?
I like the fly trap. You don't think like all of them look good.
Ankles together, though.
But can I tell you, babe? He don't want a certain kind of sneaker because he don't want it to look big. You got big feet. You got big feet. He wanted. Babe, did you try to fit your feet into shoes that don't fit? I gotta start editing this vlog so I can put it up tomorrow. I feel like Reese always makes a cameo. Hi, Reese. Oh, Reese, baby.
Okay. You just have to order them.
No, Reese. Let me take my laptop.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
Huh?
No! It's $400. Alright, whatever. I'm out of here. I don't care what the hell you guys do.
Babe, I'm on your side, my love.
Oh, whatever.
150! 150 right here!
It's not 150.
Babe, what's wrong?
Nothing. You guys do what you gotta do. I'm going in my room. I don't care what the hell you guys do.
It's not gonna be 400.
I don't care. I don't care. It ain't my money. I don't care. Look at it. Reese keeps going to her bowl. She's hungry. Elijah, can you feed her? Elijah! Would you feed the damn dog?
Tell me what color you want. Send it to me.
He gonna feed the dog and you guys can do whatever the hell you guys are doing.
They got it on gold, but that's the
They got it on Go and Stock X.
yeah, but we don't have to get it off Stock X.
Alright guys, I'm about to start editing the vlog and I don't know what's going on. I'm so tired. So tomorrow I got a couple things that I gotta do, so I'll take you guys with me. I really just have to go get my nails done tomorrow and I gotta grab some cleaning supplies at Target, but I really don't have that much more to do. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.